Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial on this on arrays. So this one we're building a string. As I said in the last one, we would give values instead. So we have a string and array, call it the name of the array AR, and I've assigned it these collection of names here. Okay? So if I want to write out number 2, which will number 2 be 0 plus 0 base 1, 2, and we get dill. Okay? Now if I hopefully this will be quick at running, I want to show that sometimes this is slow. If I wanted to output, let me see, number 4, I can text machine the 4 is going to be, and hopefully this will run. Sometimes it's kind of slow, it's very annoying, because I want to try and get these shown to you on the screen instead of having you waiting around, me waiting around. It's no good for any of us, but you see how long it's taking to build. It's just, it just takes time. It's just the internet connection, but I ain't doing these at 2 o'clock in the morning, I can tell you that. But this is how we build an array anyway, and this is by giving it the values of the same type. And notice this is a string and everything here is a string. Okay, I haven't mixed and matched because obviously you won't be doing that. You can have